So who's ready for some Simply Gilded love? I got my subscription from Simply Gilded. I believe, this is awful. I think this is the July subscription. It's still July and I just got it, so I'm gonna guess July. And I've cut the package open, but I haven't looked at it yet. So let's jump in and take a look at what loveliness she has sent. So first of all, I am digging the colors on this box. I have no idea what to do with these boxes. Do you guys do anything with your boxes? Because it just seems a shame to waste the foiling and the images and stuff. Look at that rose gold with those deep purples and blues. So, oh, and then the back is kind of a matte blackish color with some more rose gold foiling. But do you guys do anything with the boxes? Because it just seems a shame. As of right now, I've done nothing with them. And I've been a subscriber from the very first box. Let's jump in and see what pretty stuff she sent us. So the card, Enchanted Forest. I love this kind of typography, this kind of fonting, but I never have a reason to use it. It feels like I need to have like a wedding invitation to use it. So let's see. It says we got a journaling card, washi, a sequin shaker pouch, sticker seals, sticker kit, a moth magnet, sticky notes, rose gold leaf cuff, and a gel ink pen, and a silver shadow jelly roll. Okay, that's a whole lot. I get the add-on for this smaller set. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep getting this because I mean, they're beautiful. Maybe once I get into using my TN and my inserts from Bess. I got a lot of printables here recently. Maybe when I start using those inserts, these will come in a little more handy. Wow, okay. So this is a cool, like, iridescent, sequence filled pouch with rose gold hardware and filled with all sorts of fun washi. Pull everything out here. This looks like something fun to take to like the beach. All that beautiful iridescent color. And we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 4, 6 rolls. I can't count. 5 rolls of washi. 2 bows, 2 of the stardust, and 1, I'm guessing that's a moth. I'll show them a little closer up here a second. Let's see. So these 2 are kind of, these 2 are gold washi with white, gold foil washi with white bows, and the 2 normal sizes there. And then we've got 2 stardust, and I will tell you, I think that stardust are my favorite, even more than bows. And I love this purple color here. I don't know what it is about the stardust that I love the look of that more than I love the bows. And then the last one is this. It's got like a moth, foiled moth on it. You can see that right there. I think it's rose gold foil on a bluish, like maybe a night sky background. So those are the washis. And then we've got 2 pens. One is looks like a purple jelly roll. Do these come with the little things? No, they don't. We can write on, we can test this pen out. Let me see what I've got to write on that you'll be able to see. I've got this checklist tab pad from Erin Condren. I think so. Ooh, I like it. Let me zoom you in so you can see it a little better. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of an iridescent purpley color. I like that. I could have some fun with this pen. And the other pen is in this beautiful like ombre light bluish purple to pink with rose gold leaves. Let's see. And I'm guessing that this is a gel pen too because it has one of those little knobbies on it. I don't like taking those knobbies off unless I'm really gonna use a pen, but this is beautiful. Put that back. So those are the two pens. And then we got a bracelet. I have a love-hate with these because I feel like I've got a really large wrist, and so these don't always work for me. See if that works. I guess it does. It's not cutting my circulation off or anything, so that would actually work. Maybe I will have to wear a bracelet. So that's pretty. It's kind of a coppery rose gold color. And we've got the magnet that's this moth with some sparkle to it. It's easier to see once you pull it out. You see that glittery sparkleness on the light, like teal color there. What do you guys do with these magnets? I mean, they're beautiful and they're heavy duty, but I don't have a place to put a magnet. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to be putting all of these. What do you guys do? Let me know in the comments where yours go. My guess would be maybe like a Raskog, maybe. And well, wow, this is pretty. This is a notepad. I think this is the, what do they call it? I think this is the sticky notes. I'm not sure if I could write on these or not. They seem quite dark and ornate. I suppose I could use them in my, oh, it feels so wrong to do it, but I could use them in my pre-planning. Oh wow, that's interesting. So the sticky part is in the center, not on any of the edges. So the edges don't have any sticky, just in the middle. It just looks so too pretty to use. Maybe I could do some crafty stuff with it, make some cards or something out of it. So those are the sticky notes, and this must be the foiled journaling card with that beautiful rose gold foiling. It might have you zoomed in a little too close. Let's give you a little better view. There we go. So it's a 5x7 card, and these are the bow seals, and I think they're rose gold also. I'm really digging the colors on this month's box. I love these purples and blue hues. And then some moths, just like the magnet. And then we've got the sticker kit. Let's see what's in here. I need to use some of these sticker kits. I've never, when it comes to stuff like this, I think I tend to be a hoarder and not actually use anything. This is on the new paper she has. This is very, very smooth. I haven't tried to write on them because I feel like I might ruin it. But it's a very smooth texture paper. I don't know what pens go with it. Look at all that prettiness. I need to just do it. I need to bite the bullet and do it. I think I could use this in maybe one of my TN layouts with one of Bess's inserts from Lights Planner Action. It's got like a double box scene here and a Pegasus. Okay, I think this is definitely got to be used. Look at that, that's so pretty. So once again, she has knocked it out of the ballpark with all this beautiful purpley night sky loveliness for the box. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'm not including all the washi. Ooh, don't roll away, washi. Run away. And the pouch. That's a lot of stuff. And it's all beautiful. So, like I said, she knocked it out of the park again this month. Can't wait to see what comes up next month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, do all the fun YouTube stuff like subscribe, follow, I don't know all the YouTube words. Do all those things. Leave me a comment if you have anything you'd like to see in the future, but hope you enjoyed today.